Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw some pumpkins to celebrate Halloween. So let's get started. To draw these cute pumpkins, let's start by drawing a big curve. So this is where the hat meets the pumpkin. So I'm just going to come right here and just draw a big curve. And I'll slightly slope down just to give my hat some angles, not so stiff. So I'll just bring a curve down like that. Then from there, I'm going to come about right here. So this is going to be like the size of my pumpkin, and maybe right here. Right there, I'm just going to give myself a point so I know where I'm going. Bring this down, bring this down. Then from there, let's go ahead and finish the hat. So I'm going to come back right here where I started, and I'm going to just flick it up a little bit. And on this side, I'll bring it down and curve in. And continue this right here. And then since we're right here, let's go ahead and bring in a curve. Then from there, we're going to go up with our hat. So go up nice and high. And when you're drawing this part right here, just make sure this part of the pumpkin makes sense that it's still in the hat. So we just want to go about right here and continue. So you don't want to make this too narrow is what I'm saying, or else it wouldn't make sense. The pumpkin is still in the hat. So let's go up and about right here. Let's see, about right here to the side. I'll come down to create our hat. So on this side, I'll come about right here on the pointy part and bring it down to connect. So now it makes sense that the pumpkin, imagining it, it's inside the hat. Then from there, let's just flick this out right here just to give it a little tail. And in there. And for some details, you can come right here and give our hat a band and another curve. There. And before I forget, I'm going to draw a heart right here because I have a feeling I'm going to forget. So let's go ahead and draw a heart right there to make it my Draw So Cute pumpkin, right? Okay, so now that we have that in, I'll bring this down a little bit more because I have two other pumpkins I need to draw and they're in the foreground. But if you're using a pencil, please just go ahead and finish this pumpkin first. But because I'm using a Sharpie and I don't want to erase, I'm just going to stop there for now. And I'll come about right here and I'll draw some leaves to make it look like hair. So they're just kind of tucked under right there. Maybe another one right here. Just curves to make it look like leaves. And there. And then now right under this, I'm going to put in two big circles for some Draw So Cute eyes. So let's come right here and draw a huge circle. And another one about right here. And what's really great about drawing pumpkins is that it doesn't have to be any exact way. You can draw your pumpkin whatever shape you want, however wobbly you want it, right? Okay, so this is just meant to inspire you, and I hope it really does. So I've got two big circles in, and let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. And now that I'm done with these eyes, let's come above each eye and I'm just going to draw a soft curve right over each eye. And let's see here, let's give our pumpkin a really sweet and cute smile. So right in between, let's go ahead and draw a curve, cap it off, And let's make it extra happy. So I'll bring in a curve right at the bottom, nice and big if you want. And then just put in a little tongue. Okay, so then now to draw the other two pumpkins, just gonna put them into place before I finish this pumpkin right here. So in this area right here, I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'll start with a small little pumpkin right here. Just start with a curve for the top of our pumpkin, and I'm going to bring this. And I just want to imagine my pumpkin about right here, so I'll just bring this down to about right there. So this one's supposed to be my smaller one. As I bring it down right here, I'm just going to give it some bumps at the bottom before I connect. There, and then whatever space I have left, I can finish this pumpkin now. And so same thing over here, I'm going to draw a taller pumpkin. And so this pumpkin, I'm just going to not complete my curve. I'll start about right here. I'm just going to go down with a curve and another curve. Bring it down, and now I want to be at the same level because they're about this, they're in the foreground. So I'll bring this down to about right there. And before I finish this side, I'm going to go ahead and draw a stem. If you're using a pencil, definitely just finish off the pumpkin. And then I'm going to come right here and draw a leaf. Big leaf to cover the top. And a center stem. And so just imagining, so about right here, I'll go ahead and continue the rest of my pumpkin. Give it some bumps towards the bottom and connect. There, so I got two pumpkins on the side, and now I can go ahead and finally finish this. So I'll make it a little bit higher. So I'll come about right here. And once again, just give it some bumps, center one, and all the way around. There. Okay, so then now let's see here. Let's draw some of these little curly things, lines that come out. So I'll just put one here. Maybe another one here just to spruce up our pumpkin. Right there. And then let's work on this. Oh, and then before I forget, I'm just going to draw in some curves right here. Just so we know our pumpkin is not smooth, right? It has these ridges. And when you're coloring it, you can definitely put in the colors, different colors of the oranges right here. Okay, so then this one, let's finish this one. I'm just going to give a big stem right in the center. And maybe put a leaf right here towards the side. Just so we can add some green. A little curly tendril here. And for the face, so put that curve in. And for the face, let's make it nice and simple. So we're just going to draw a curve and a curve. And let's pop it up. Right there. And then a really cute little smile goes up. Cap it off. And then let's open it up. There, nice and silly, right? And draw two curves over the eyes. And then for this one, let's see here. What should we do on this one? So like I said, cuties, I really hope this inspires you to come up with your own pumpkin faces. So I'll do the same thing, a happy face, but smaller. Here. Curve on top, and then a smile. So I'm going to give two little curves to cap it off, and let's open up this smile right here and give it a little tooth right in the center there. And of course, let's not forget a little tendril for this pumpkin. And let's see, that's pretty much it. I really hope this drawing here of these cute little pumpkins inspires you, and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me to celebrate Halloween and fall, of course. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.